Hi there, what's going on? And welcome to our niche research training. My name is Patrick and I will walk you through the first steps of getting started with Facebook marketing, finding a smoking hot niche to build your Facebook business around. Now, first things first, thanks for taking action and getting this training. Seriously, congratulations on this. It proves how awesome you are and that you want to take things to the next level. I like that, I like your style, and listen, I'm here to get your mind blown. This stuff is unique in the history of internet marketing. I'm a very humble person, but you won't find anything comparable to this training on the entire internet. We are really proud of what we put together for you. So listen, get a shot of espresso or an energy drink because I'm going to let you in on a $1 million secret that will give you an unfair advantage over your competitors. Finding a niche to absolutely kill it with Facebook. Now, most people skip the niche research process and months later they wonder why their bank account is still empty or why they didn't make any sales. And the reason is very simple. Either they didn't do the research at all or they haven't had my blueprint. And seriously, you can't start a business venture without researching if your niche market is profitable, or even worse, just assuming that your niche market is profitable. You also wouldn't go to, let's say, Siberia just by assuming that it is the Russian Miami beach during the winter, right? So don't waste your time with targeting niche markets that won't make you money. I will let you in on a little secret. Once you've gone through all the videos in this training, then you'll know everything there is to know on taking the first step towards building a successful online business with Facebook. It's exactly what I do when diving into a new business venture, and boy, let me tell you something, it works like a charm. That's right. I will share with you my exact step-by-step blueprint on how to find a niche to absolutely crush it with Facebook. That's the goal of this training, and it's just perfect if you have no clue on how to get started. By the end of this training, you'll be a Facebook marketing ninja and know a big money-making secret in the industry. So get ready and fasten your seatbelt. Your business is just about to take off like a rocket, okay? So if you ever wondered how to find hotter niches than a mix of Jessica Alba, Angelina Jolie and Beyoncé Knowles, and a niche that is more profitable than being Bill Gates' wife, then we've got you covered. I'll see you in the next video.